Want to make your course stand out and attract more students? By optimizing your course for SEO, you can ensure it ranks higher and drives enrollments like never before. Let's explore how. From the homepage, click on your profile on the top right. Select Create a new course. You will now find yourself in the Instructor dashboard. Your course title is the first thing potential students see. Make it clear and specific. And don't forget to include keywords that students might search for. Use action words and keywords like Master, Advanced, or Beginner. Avoid overly generic titles. The slug is the part of your course URL that makes it search-friendly. While slugs like SEO Course 123 are too generic and uninformative, slugs such as Learn SEO Basics to Advanced Ranking include relevant keywords and provide clarity. Keep your slugs simple, descriptive, and keyword-rich to help students and search engines easily find your course. Your About Course description is your chance to hook potential students. Avoid descriptions like, "This course is about SEO." Instead, provide a detailed overview of what students will learn, the benefits they'll gain, and who the course is for, while also including certain keywords throughout the description. Choose a specific, relevant category that will improve course discoverability and ensure it appears in front of students searching for topics in your niche. Your course thumbnail is the first thing that catches a student's eye. Avoid poorly designed, low-quality images. Instead, use high-quality visuals that show professionalism. The additional data section is an essential part of your course profile. By filling out each field with detailed, clear, and keyword-optimized information, you'll help potential students understand the unique value of your course. Highlight what they'll learn, who the course is for, what materials are included, and any requirements or instructions to get started. By following these SEO optimization steps, you've set your course up for success. With improved discoverability and a professional course page, your course will now rank higher in search engines.